What's up guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best Samsung tablets that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Samsung Galaxy S8 Ultra is Samsung's most ambitious, grandest, and top-tier tablet to date, offering a remarkable piece of technology to a select few users. It has been explicitly designed for productivity, with Samsung stretching Android's capabilities through app optimization and DX support. The tablet comes with the S Pen, which attaches magnetically to the back and charges wirelessly while supporting Bluetooth functions and Air actions. The Galaxy S8 Ultra boasts a stunning 14.6-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and extremely thin bezels. It houses dual front-facing cameras with dynamic panning during video calls, ensuring visibility at all times. The tablet features quad stereo speakers tuned by AKG with Dolby Atmos technology, delivering an excellent audio experience. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor and paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, the Galaxy S8 Ultra offers smooth performance for multitasking and gaming. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S8 Ultra is a remarkable piece of technology designed for power users and creative professionals who seek a top-tier tablet experience. Its stunning display, powerful performance, and versatile S Pen support make it an excellent choice for those looking to maximize productivity and multimedia consumption on a tablet platform. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is a mid-range tablet designed to offer a compelling alternative to the iPad. One of the main purposes for many users when buying a tablet is to install their favorite streaming services and watch content on a larger screen than their smartphones. The Galaxy Tab S6 Lite excels in this aspect with its 10.4-inch FHD Plus screen that delivers vivid colors and sharpness, making it great for basic consumption and media consumption. The tablet comes with 2 speakers that provide good audio quality, making it suitable for playing music or watching movies without the need for external speakers. It also includes a 3.5mm headphone jack, allowing users to easily connect their headphones and even charge them while connected. One of the standout features of the Tab S6 Lite is the inclusion of the S Pen, which allows for seamless note-taking, doodling, and annotating. The tablet's software automatically detects your writing and indexes your entries for easy retrieval later. Although it lacks some premium features found in the higher-end Tab S6, like an AMOLED display and support for DeX mode, the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite still offers a robust and good-looking design with a bundled S Pen, making it an attractive option for users seeking a well-designed, durable, and capable Android tablet at a competitive price. It may not be a high-end gaming tablet, but for media consumption and general productivity tasks, it delivers a satisfying experience. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE is a standout big-screen value tablet with a spacious 12.4-inch display, making it an excellent option for those who prioritize screen size. The TFT LCD panel offers a sharp 2560 by 1600 resolution, surpassing the budget Tab S6 Lite and even the Tab S8 in display size. The tablet is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G processor, providing faster performance than the Tab S6 Lite and ensuring reliable multitasking and gaming capabilities. With options for up to 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, the Tab S7 FE offers ample space and memory. Its massive 10,090 mAh battery ensures long-lasting usage, lasting up to 13 hours on a single charge. Moreover, the tablet comes with the S Pen included, providing added convenience for note-taking and creative tasks. While the Tab S8 is similarly priced, the Galaxy Tab S7 FE still delivers plenty of performance for most users, especially those who value a larger display. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 is a powerhouse of portability that offers almost everything one would demand from a high-end device. It features an innovative elongated magnetic S Pen holder on the backside, ensuring users always have a charged and ready-to-use pen. This unique design also allows the tablet to position its front-facing camera on the right side, enhancing video call capabilities during personal or business meetings. The inclusion of the S Pen enhances productivity and sets Samsung's tablets apart. The Tab S8 boasts superior performance with an upgraded Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset and ultra-fast Wi-Fi 6E, providing all-day battery life for work, streaming, or gaming on a single charge. The 11-inch dynamic LCD screen delivers unrivaled brightness, sharpness, and color, while the ultra-wide dual-front camera with automatic framing captures crystal clear 4K videos and stunning photos. Additionally, the Galaxy Connect feature syncs notes automatically, ensuring access to ideas and reminders across devices. Despite not matching the best iPads, the Tab S8 sets a new standard for premium Android tablets with its beautiful design, excellent battery life, great sound quality, and surprisingly good cameras. It's a top-performing device at an unbeatable price-quality ratio, making it one of the best Android tablets available. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite is an affordable yet high-quality tablet that stands out as a top budget-friendly option. Despite some compromises made to lower the price, the Galaxy Tab A7 Lite offers excellent value for both young kids and the elderly. While it may not match the performance and display quality of costlier tablets, it does provide 4 years of software support and expandable storage via microSD card, up to 1 TB. There are 2 variations available, Wi-Fi only with 32 GB or 64 GB of storage, and LTE with 32 GB of storage. The 64 GB model in the US also comes with 4 GB of RAM, enhancing multitasking capabilities. The tablet features an 8.7-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1340 by 800 pixels and is powered by a 1.8 GHz octa-core MediaTek Helio P22T processor. It comes with either 3 GB or 4 GB of RAM, depending on the model. The Galaxy Tab A7 Lite runs on Android 11 with Samsung's One UI Core 3.1. The device has an 8-megapixel rear camera and a 2-megapixel front camera for selfies. In terms of design, the Galaxy Tab A7 Lite has a robust aluminum metal construction with plastic sections on the top and bottom. This lends a premium feel to the budget-focused tablet. The tablet's battery life is quite satisfactory, offering 10 to 12 hours of screen-on time under typical usage scenarios, with a maximum charging speed of 15 watts. The screen's color reproduction is satisfactory, with videos and apps appearing vibrant, particularly in reds and yellows. However, the tablet's display has a lower pixel density compared to some competitors. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite is an excellent option for those looking to optimize their Android experience without breaking the bank.